This channel started 10 days ago and it already has almost 6 million views. They are making these 3D animated videos that people just can't stop watching. Most people think that you need a team of animators to make a video like this. And here's one example that is making $10,000 to $166,000 a month, or up to $330,000 a year just from this YouTube Shorts channel. And even this channel that only has 3 uploads has a range of about 6,800 to 109,000. I'd imagine it's probably on that lower end, but still $6.8 thousand from 3 shorts. But I'm gonna show you how I created my own version of one of these AI viral shorts channels in under 24 hours. And most of these tools did not even exist a few months ago. And if we are meeting for the first time, my name is Jonathan Dunkerley and I help you make passive income with AI. I really nerd out about finding different ways to make passive income with AI, and AI shorts like this are going viral right now. So if you do get some value out of this, make sure that you subscribe and hit that like button, and let's dive in. Now, if you don't know even how to find a viral channel, don't worry, you are not alone. There are really just 2 main ways that you could do it. You could go and open up a private browser in Chrome and then go to YouTube. Since you are in a private tab and you are not signed in, if you go over to Shorts, it's gonna show you videos based off of a fresh algorithm. Just scroll through these and see if there are any viral videos that you could recreate with AI. You are going to need to scroll through this for a while until you start to find videos that are doing really well. Don't get discouraged. This sometimes could take a very long time before you start to see the videos that you're going to be able to recreate. Now, personally, I want to take the shortcut. I want to do it the most efficient way. There are a lot of different tools out there that can do this for you. The tool that I'm going to be using today to help me shortcut this and make this go faster is called Algrow. There is a link to it in the description of this video if you want to follow along and use Algrow. And after testing Algrow, as far as I've ever found, it is the easiest way to research and create viral videos. Once you create your Algrow account, you just go up to Go to Channels, and then we would start off with our research tab here over on the left. They have short form channels, and it will show you viral channels that are in YouTube Shorts. You could scroll through this tab and then you could start bookmarking it. And you could also set up advanced filters if you want to, say, find a channel that is newer. Maybe it's only 7 days old. You could do that and find what's going viral quickly. You could also do this for long form channels. You could save channels under the next tab. Then you could see what channels are currently trending right now. Then there are viral videos. You could see if there are ideas, which could also lead you to the channel that created them. You can get analytics for a channel just with a screenshot. You could find similar channels to a channel that you are modeling after. And then one of my favorite features is actually a YouTube scraper, where you could put a YouTube link to a shorts channel or a long form channel. It will scrape things from the channel like the titles, the view count, as well as the entire transcript for the video. On the research side, Algrow has already made it so much easier for me to find videos that I want to recreate on a brand new YouTube channel. But this is where it actually gets really powerful. Right in the same app, you could create images, which is good for creating consistent character models that then you could use across all of your different videos. You could also generate once-off video generations and upload that reference image that you just generated with your image generator right here, and you'll get a consistent character in all of your video outputs. Then we have the voice generator, where you are able to generate AI voiceovers either with 11 Labs or Algrow's stealth model. There's also a Sora 2 watermark remover if you prefer to generate your videos in Sora 2 and then remove the watermark and get your videos that way, as well as a captions remover, which removes the captions from a video using AI. And here we have the AI video generator, which is in beta. And this tool actually creates an entire workflow. All you would have to do is create an original script and then paste in a link to a YouTube short that you want your video to be modeled after. So what this will do is you will have consistent characters, you will have a script that you wrote that's custom or had AI write, and then you're going to be able to use the same exact style from a YouTube short that you were trying to emulate. Then under the next tab, we have our style. Right here, it says reference style. You could either have it the same as the video, you could do a different video and paste another URL right here, or you could use the reference image, which you could paste a URL, or you could pick one of these 3. I've seen this middle one working the best right now, and it is recommended. It will give you detailed backgrounds depending on your script. Then you want to have a character description as well. The way I got this is actually by creating a reverse prompt using the image that was generated with image generation. Then it would generate image prompts for every different scene in your script. You could generate and edit all of those images turn those into video clips. Then you could use a free editing tool like CapCut to edit it together. Then you could find free music to use in your short in the YouTube audio library. Now, if you want original music, you could always use Suno. There is a link to Suno in the description of this video. I actually really enjoy making music with Suno. It makes it so I can get an original song and use it in my short. Now, if you are going to use Algrow, that is great. But if you want to do this all manually, you can, and you can use things like Google Gemini. You would just need to go to the YouTube channel, and then you would need to open up the video, and then you could just come here to these three dots, go to description, and you can get all the information that you need that they posted in their video. We can see that this got 33,000 likes. It got 6,741,731 views, and it was posted on February 5th. And then we can just copy this information and we can put it into a text edit file or something else that we can put in our chatbot. Now, I do have a resource that could actually help shortcut that for you, whether you are using Algrow or you're doing it all manually. I included the prompts that will help you create consistent character and scene prompts, and then a prompt to help you come up with viral video ideas based off the information that you either collected with Algrow or that you did manually. And then once you've picked the topic of your video, you could just paste in this prompt right here, and it will give you a script that is just ready to drop right into your AI voice generator. The next two steps are how I use Gemini in order to create my first frame of my image prompt, and then I use Grok in order to create animations. You can use this prompt to generate all of your first frames, but if you're using Algrow, it will do this entire step right here on the images page. Make sure that you leave no dialogue and no music. If you want to go grab these free prompts, all you need to do is go grab the AI Profit Checklist, which has a bunch of other resources on here as well at aiprofitchecklist.com. So I'm going to be making some more videos showing how I am using tools like Algrow to reverse engineer viral YouTube Shorts channels. If there is a particular type of video you want me to show you how to recreate, let me know in the comments. Again, my name is Jonathan Dunkerley. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.